arrived at the Brigham and we're gonna take you on a little bit of a tour around the place and just see what the actual grounds are like, because we want to see what the outside ceremony would be good for, and before the rain comes in we're gonna just get going now and maybe have some food because it's about nearly 10.
Food will be good.
Yeah,
Brunch.
and we're hungry.
Brunch.
So this is the Plan B area, so you come in and you just walk straight down here, and that's kind of like where the archway goes, right there, which is pretty good because it's kind of humid today and it's meant to rain, so it's actually quite nice to be able to see what this is like. But we're just about to head over to the main grounds, which is just behind us here, to see how the normal ceremony setup is. So the way that it actually normally works is the bridal party comes and walks down here, so you walk past these beautiful big trees, you come through this little hedgeway here, and then you walk and carry on down and you do like your big old bridal march, and then if Brandon just turns around you'll be able to see where the actual section is. So the archway is just back here, so this is where the ceremony happens and we'll just take you up there now. So this is how it looks, obviously with a nice archway in the background. So you can get married where you're in front of the palm trees, but I actually really like this as a backdrop.
Yeah,
I don't know how you feel about it. But it's actually a really cute sort of ceremony space.
It is a nice backdrop. It's quite a nice backdrop.
What are you thinking overall so far?
Yeah, I quite like it. It's just the angle of the ground looks quite steep, but it's not actually bad to stand on. They've flattened off everywhere that's important to be flat.
Yeah.
When you look at the overall ground, that side there is much higher than that side down there.
Yeah.
But when you're actually standing on it, it's fine.
Yeah, but in pictures and stuff, like I've seen people, because you can tell in the background here, you can see like there's a slope going on.
Yeah,
like, there is no denying the fact that there's a slope, but at the same time it doesn't feel bad, and in pictures you can just like, you know, do that little trick.
It doesn't feel bad to stand and walk on and like walk the grounds, but it does look,
So
it
the
does
main
look
thing
quite,
is,
you know, that side compared to that side, it looks pretty steep. But it's not that steep. Really surprising, really surprising.
yeah, I actually just quite like the whole garden area in general.
It's nice and green, nice and pretty.
So if it was sunny, I would be okay with getting married out here, for sure.
And I like the Plan B, that gazebo area is really nice, well covered, permanent gazebo. It's surprisingly large and can easily cater 60 people.
Yeah.
We could have a ceremony
staring over at it.
We could have a ceremony over there. Yeah, I'm looking over at it too.
So just kind of in the background. So that is the Plan B option, and I do think that that could work quite well as well. So if it's raining, then at least we don't need to hire a marquee, which would save a few $1,000s.
Yep.
Hey, sweetie.
Hello.
Someone gets all the mushrooms.
Yeah, I like mushrooms.
You're happy about that, huh?
Do you want some tomatoes?
We'll see how I go. I'm sure this stuff will fill me. to help us decide, obviously we had to try the food there, because if you don't like the food at your venue, how is anyone else going to like the food there? Because that's kind of a big part of the day too. And what we wanted to do especially was film all of the grounds and just see how it comes out on camera, because we're going to be filming the day and we're also going to be having lots of pictures taken. And if you are looking at getting a videographer, you'll want to see what things look like from all angles and also see how people look in the shots too. Also, I'm really lucky to see how our wedding was getting set up there as well, to just kind of like get a bit of a vision for how we want the day to look and how they currently do it. Now obviously each person can change however they want, but for us it just helped give that bit of perspective and also explore all of the grounds. So we found this beautiful little magic garden sort of space with these lovely places to take pictures. So just have a look everywhere. And also I had a proper good chat with the venue owner, and we discussed all of the planned changes that they want to do over the next 2 years, which is when we're getting married, and all the improvements are actually going to make a big difference. And one other thing that Brandon and I talked about is if Plan B was our only option, would we really be happy with it? And we've both decided that yes, this could truly work for us. So those are my best recommendations for you guys. I hope that you found this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I come up with new videos every week. I'd love for you to come on this journey.